Hello, my name is Paul Bauer, and I wanted to share with you a funny thing about a gift I bought my wife, Mary.
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Now put your hands up in the club, just woke up. I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip, 'cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him.
For Christmas. What I got Mary was an iRobot Roomba 400 vacuum. Roombas are awesome. Mary and I both agree that it's easily one of the best inventions ever made.
All you do is turn Roomba on and get on with your life.
However, my daughter Kayla may disagree. You see, she is deathly afraid of the Roomba. To kind of give you an idea of the difference between the way Mary and I see the Roomba and the way Kayla sees the Roomba, I thought I'd show you these two video clips. First, let's take a look at how Mary and I see the Roomba. And finally, let's see how Kayla views it.
Come with me if you want to live.
It's okay, Mom. He's here to help. It's okay.